श्री रूप गोस्वामी की
जय।
जय। स्तवमाला की
जय।
जय। मुदिरा मद मुदार मर्दयन्नङ्गकान्त्या वसन रुचि निरस्ताम्भोजकिञ्जकशोभा तरुणीमकरनीक्ष वक्लवद्बल्यचन्द्रो व्रजनवयोवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट पेतुरनिशम्मकन्य प्राणनिर्मन्त्रनीय कलिततनूरिवद्ध मातृवात्सल्यपुञ्ज अनुगुणगुणदृष्टि दृष्टिपीयूषवर्ति व्रजनवयुवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट अखिल जगति जाग्रत मुग्धवैदग्ध्यचर्या प्रथम गुरुरुदग्र सामविश्वराम सोध अनुपम गुणराजि रञ्जिताशिष बन्धु व्रजनवयुवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट अपि मदनपराधे दुष्करं विक्रियोर्निं युवतीषु निदधान भ्रूधनुर्धुनानेन प्रियसच प्राणवीनमुरसीत् व्रजनवयुवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट नयन श्रीनिविनोद क्षोभितानगोन् मथितगहन राधा चित्तकासारगर्भ प्रणय रस स्वादलीला सदाङ्घ्रि व्रजनवयुवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट अनुपदमुदयन्त्य राधिका सङ्गसिद्ध्या स्थगितप्रीतुरताङ्ग द्वन्द्वरागानुबन्ध मधुरिममधु दोरयिता व्रजनवयुवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट अल्लगुकुटिरराधा दृष्टिवारिनिरुद्ध त्रिजगदपरतन्तृ दामचेतु गजेन्द्र सुखमुखरक्ष नर्मणास्मिरवतु न जनवयुवराज काङ्क्षितं मे क्रीशिष्ट त्वयि रहसि मिलन्त्यां सम्भ्रमन्यसबुघ्नापि उषसि सखितवारि मेखला पश्यभाति इति विवृतस्य रेपयन्ति वरसा व्रजनवयो राजा अंशितं मे कृषिष्ट व्रजनवरुवरास्य ष्टकं तुष्टबुद्धि कलितवरविलासम् प्रयत्नादधिते परिजनक नापतस्य नो रज्ञ विलिखति कीरवृन्दा रण्यराज्ञिरसज्ञ। जय रूप गोस्वामी की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, जय गुरु महाराज की जय। हरे कृष्ण।
Wow, incredible. Thank you so much, Karuna. Wonderful, as always. Riyaj, are you with us?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Translation 1. May the young prince of Raja, whose bodily luster defeats the praise of a monsoon cloud, the luster of whose garment defeats that of the filaments of a lotus flower, and the moon of whose childhood becomes afflicted when he sees the sun of his adolescence rising, fulfill my desire. 2. May the young prince of Raja, who constantly states innumerable life affairs of his father, who is the embodiment of his mother's great maternal love, and who is the nectar for the eyes of his favorable superiors, fulfill my desire. 3. May the young prince of Raja, who is the foremost and most splendid guru of all charming arts in the whole universe, who is the most elevated resting place of valorous transcendental bliss, and who delights his innumerable friends with all his matchless attributes, fulfill my desire. 4. May the young prince of Raja, who by twanging the bow of his eyebrows causes waves of agitation in the minds of the young girls that are hard to generate even by trillions of cupids, and who is the ocean in which the fish-like hearts of his dear friends play, fulfill my desire. 5. May the young prince of Raja, who whose god-like eyes blissfully strike and agitate the elephant of erotic desires, thus causing it to wreak havoc in the depth of the lake of Sri Radha's heart, and who is the bumblebee who relishes the honey of Rasika loving pastimes, fulfill my desire. 6. May the young prince of Raja, whose constant love for Sri Radha defeats even the constant passionate love of pairs of Chakravaka flamingos, since they are separated at night, while Krishna can meet Radha day and night, and who is the ocean wherein all the honey rivers of sweetness stream, fulfill my desire. 7. May the young prince of Raja, who is indomitable Lord Elephant Heart, which cannot be checked by anything within the tree walls, is bound by the strong and cribbed ropes of Sri Radha's glance, and whose face smiles as he hears the blissful jokes of talkative Vishaka, fulfill my desire. 8. May the young prince of Raja, who embarrasses Radha by revealing his intimate pastimes with her, telling one girlfriend, "Oh Saki, just see how your Saki waist belts shine," even though she quickly and hypo- hypocritically put them on again after suddenly meeting you in solitude at dawn. Fulfill my desire. 9. Sri Krishna, who knows the flavors of Sri Vrindavaneshwari Radhika's Prema, will be pleased with anyone who carefully and with a satisfied heart recites these 8 verses that describe the excellent enjoyments of the young Prince of Raja, and will count him by the name amongst his intimate associates. Hare Krishna, Praveen.
Thank you, Rian. Wow, amazing bhajan again, as always, and shows how Krishna, although the Supreme Lord, in charge of everything, the source of everything, the all-knowing, all-masterful, is very cheeky. Especially this verse here shows his delightful, sweet, naughty nature. And this is what distinguishes him from any other supreme personality. And he is, according to many scriptures, the source of all the avatars and incarnations, because within him is everything. He possesses all good, amazing spiritual qualities, but he's got this wonderful sweetness about him which distinguishes him from anybody else. And this verse, I won't read it out because it's very confidential and it's very interesting. But how he embarrasses his most beloved, such a wonderful way. Karuna, anything you want to share?
Yes, Prabhuji, another amazing bhajan. And Srila Rupa Goswami is being very merciful upon us by revealing so many intimate pastimes of Sri Radha and Krishna. So, yeah, he's so merciful.
True. Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much. So this is Mudira Madan Udaram. And official name is Sri Vrajanava Yuva Rajastakam. By Rupa Goswami in his Navamala. Rupa Goswami ki jai, Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai.